appreciation costs nothing. It requires hardly any effort. A smile, a warm gesture, a word of praise, all it takes. Dada J.P. Vaswani. Selfless service is at the core of the mission's activities. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the executive head of Sadhu Vaswani Mission, Didi Krishna Kumari, amongst us to deliver an inspirational talk on the subject, You Are Unique. I invite our spearhead dynamic principal of the college, Professor Ashayan, to present a brief insight of our institution.
Sindhi College was established in the year 2002 under the aegis of Sindhi Seva Samiti, a philanthropic organization, as one of the premier institutions not only in the city of Bangalore but also among the other states of India.
I request our leader, esteemed president of Sindhi Seva Samiti and Sindhi group of institutions, Shri Sanjeev Atmaram, to deliver the welcome address.
Jai Jhulelal, Radhe Shyam, Dada Shyam. Quote, a teacher who can smile at each student, who can greet each student with love, can work wonders. Unquote, Dada J.P. Vaswani.
We are all indeed blessed to be present here this morning to hear Didi share her words of wisdom with all of us. For Didi Krishna Kumari ji, to live is to give and to lead is to serve. No task is too small, no project is too big for her. Her devotion is unquestionable. Her fortitude and faith are like a rock amidst the web of challenges which he handles so skillfully.
Sadhu Vaswani, he was a saint, he was a seer, he was a sage, he was a poet, he was an author, he was a mystic, but above all, he was an educationist with a vision. His hope was in the youth. You are the builders of tomorrow. Each one of you is unique. Each one of you is special. Each one of you has been created for a special purpose. The secret of success lies in identifying that purpose, in trying to know what your true calling is, and in playing your role to fulfill that purpose. That is true success.
दादा श्याम, असां सिंधियन जो सौभाग्य ऐं ख़ुशकिस्मती आहे कि असांखे साधु वासवानी जो आशीर्वाद दीदी कृष्ण कुमारी जे रूप में मिलियो आहे। मां रिद्धि पमनानी हिते मौजूद सब सिंधी परिवार जे सदस्यों जो हिन खूबसूरत कार्यक्रम जे लाइ तहे दिल सां शुक्रिया अदा थी करां। धन्यवाद।